Hello from Slovenia again. I have my box here. It's made out of wood so that I will be able to do this spin technique, but today I will try to do reverse flower dip and then spin it out to see what will happen. And I just want to tell a few things. I have a mess because I just trying to do something before. Maybe I will publish this video, maybe I will not, because I don't know. Today I have this leveled, so I hope that this will work okay, and I mark my canvas lines on this Lazy Susan, kind of to have it in the center. And when I will start with my drawing my circles or whatever I will do, I will try to start in the middle, and I will help myself with this. And I just want to tell you that I'm planning another live auction on 16th or 17th. This is Saturday or Sunday this month. Maybe you will find some Christmas gifts, some of my paintings from some of my paintings. So and let's start. I will just add this black base first, and I will just have to grab my palette knife. I forget. I will spread this out a little bit, and then I think that I will do a spiral. I just constantly forget that I can turn this around to help myself with this, because I'm just not used to this. I will just spin it to spread it more evenly. Sorry for the noise, but that's how it is. And I will try this black and white dip. Whoops! Because I really like the first one that I did with my pearl white, but I didn't like. I like it, but I want to see how this will work if I spread it all over. So I will just work with black and pearl white today, and I will do few circles, and then I will do a spiral. And let's do spiral around. take this and black. Maybe you just think why I add black in between anyway, but I think that I have to have enough black on the surface so that this pearl white can flow over. Whoop. And now I will spray my paper towel. Place it on. I didn't do this okay, but I hope that it will. Tap this down gently. You don't want to tap this too hard, because you will not you can smush your paint too much, and then you can get just a blob of paint instead of a flower. And maybe I shouldn't have had this white, just a black. Maybe it's too much. Let's spread this. Totally different. So weird. I will put the first one that I did in the description so you can see the difference. Maybe my pearl white mixture is different. because I just get a lot of these white dots instead of lacing. Or I did it with silver, I just forget. Maybe I didn't use this pearl white, maybe I used silver, I don't know. I have to look, but today I just want to do it with pearl white. And I think that I should have more paint for this technique on the canvas, but because it isn't covered completely. Because your paper towel pulls a lot of the paint off. Maybe I should have more paint. I like this middle part here, but I'm not sure about the whole painting. Probably I used silver, I think, or silver and white. I don't remember. It's too dark for me. Just don't know if I should keep this or not. I just like this part here, but not sure about the whole thing. This pearl white will be a little sparkly when it will dry, so maybe it will look nice when it will be dry. I will leave it and see what will happen when it will dry. So let me take you for a close-up. I really like this part here, but not sure about the whole thing. I will leave it and see what will happen when it will be dry. So definitely worth to try again with this spinner and flower dips. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.